Good afternoon. First of all, I want to thank the jury for their very hard work in this case. This was not an easy case. There were a number of important facts and perspectives to consider in order to reach a verdict in the case. The jury had to be very deliberative and pay a great deal of attention over the 3.5 weeks that this trial lasted and weigh the evidence and the testimony that they received and heard very carefully. It appears that the jury did just that, and this shows that the jury system, a fundamental part of our system of justice, does work. Secondly, I want to very much thank the team of attorneys and staff from our office and from the Office of Civil Rights in the Department of Justice, as well as the Federal Bureau of Investigation, who have worked on this case very hard for over 3.5 years. This case has been very important to and in our community since it occurred on March 18th of 2006. And this team of professionals worked very hard on this case to get it to trial, and they worked very hard on the case when it was in trial. I, as a professional and personally, am very, very proud of them. This is a case that had to be brought. Fundamental questions about what occurred on March 18th of 2006 have lingered since the incident occurred. The truth and the effect of that truth had to be determined, and it now has been. Many may be tempted to read messages into this verdict that I would suggest not be done. This case was about a single police officer and what he did on one evening in one situation and the steps that he later took to impede and impact the investigation. This is not an indictment of our entire police department, and it should not be an excuse for any of us to ignore the good work that our police officers do every day and every night in our community to protect us.